Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dragon Quest VII Reimagined demo game crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting any time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Dragon Quest VII Reimagined demo game and then click on properties. Now in the launch options, type -DX11 and then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties and this time type -DX12 in the launch options, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2. Run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So again open Steam, go to library, right click on Dragon Quest VII Reimagined demo game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now double click this DQ7R underscore demo exe file and check if this fixes the issue or not. If not, then open the DQR7 underscore demo folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Then again double click on this demo Win64 shipping exe file and check if a problem is fixed or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if a problem is fixed or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for, from here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow and then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder, open C drive, open program files x86, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open DQ7R underscore demo folder, select DQ7R underscore demo exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Open the DQ7R demo folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this DQ7R underscore demo Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse and then again browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files x86, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open DQ7R underscore demo folder, select DQ7R demo exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Again click on browse, open DQ7R demo folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select this DQ7R demo Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 4. Run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. Click on add desktop app, open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the DQ7R underscore demo folder, open DQ7R underscore demo folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select this DQ7R underscore demo win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it and expand it, and next to GPU preference select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So what you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here. Then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Then you have to download and install latest version GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option. So check mark this custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 6 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Dragon Quest VII Reimagined demo and then select properties. Now go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of demo files. And after the 100% verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is given in my video description. And once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see install option, then click on install, and if you see repair option, then click on repair and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to disable overlay. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and select properties and then enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just turn it off and then go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties, enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps. GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Cytoplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 9. Delete the Dragon Quest VII Reimagined demo saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress as well as saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. Now here how to do it. Open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view and then show and check mark hidden items and then open app data folder, open local folder and here look for the DQ7R underscore demo folder, right click it and then first copy it and then go to the desktop and paste it to keep the backup. And after keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Reserve Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on Check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now, if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Dragon Quest VII Reimagined demo game from your PC and then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Dragon Quest VII Reimagined demo game crashes at a startup, crashing to desktop, or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.